gonna fix the belt tensioner today. Try to get rid of that squeak. Got a new belt too. Gates, green one, heavy duty. Also got a Gates belt tensioner. I can put in the description where I ordered those. You can find them on Amazon. This is a 13th millimeter. Loosen it a bit. Alright, you just use the old bolt that you removed, put it back in your new belt tensioner. Now it's ready to put the belt on. Got the famous green belt put back on. Now we're gonna get ready to start it up.